Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the week of July 6th through the 12th using this full page kit, Cue the Nerves and Anxiety by Planner Pixie Co. called Backyard Bliss. It is super cute. I love this flamingo. So these two pages go like that, and then this is the third page that she's got with the functionals. So I have only ever done, I think, 2 other full page spreads in here, and I think they were both for monthly kits. I get nervous. I can never seem to put these down straight. So here's hoping for the best. I'm gonna put my date dots on first, and then we are going to jump in with both feet and hope that we can do it correctly. And if you would like to place bets on whether or not I'm going to be satisfied with my placement, please do so now. Spoiler alert, you're probably not going to make a lot of money if you bet on me. So this will be the second week that I am repurposing this planner from an on-the-go planner, because now we don't go anywhere, to more of a life log and little journal. I really enjoyed using it the first week, so I'm excited to do it again. Okay, last time one of the things that tripped me up was knowing where to actually place it, because it doesn't go, I don't have to go all the way from the bottom. So basically just the line of text. Okay, so allegedly the easiest way to do this is, and I've done this before and I've still managed to mess it up, so don't even ask me how that's possible, is to put it, oh yeah, and how wide, that's the other thing. Okay, so on the edge of that, if we can get it there. So allegedly the easiest thing to do is place it there and then pull this up. Mine's already going crooked. And then just lay it down. But that rarely works for me. So, oh dear. Now it's crooked the other way. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Oh no, I have a very buckled page here. Oh dear. Oh God. This is just asking for trouble. Oh my God. Okay, okay, okay. You do not want to see the other side of this page. Oh my God. That was not pretty, you guys. Oh dear God. And I want to use more of these because they're so good for keeping the page like really, like that prevents some of the ridging, but oh dear. Okay. I am going to try this another way, because obviously what I was doing was not working for me. If you are able to get that to work for you, kudos to you. Because did you see how much more easily that one went down? I mean, it's still Okay. Oh God. Alrighty. Ah. Okay. So because I use this as a journal, there's not tons and tons. Oh no. Here too. Okay. Damn it. As I was saying, because I use this as a little journal, there isn't tons and tons to pre-plan. I just tend to put in the sort of bigger events that will jog my memory as I'm going. So I'm going to mark in my brother's birthday on Wednesday, just with this little bow icon. And I'm going to put in a couple of things. So the dog's grooming appointment and my deadline. Just hoping I'd get there, but obviously not. Just there. And I think that's it. And then what I want to do, I think, is do I want to put a row of the bullet points? I think so. I think that's all I need to do in this planner, actually, because it's a journal, so it doesn't get tons of detail up front, and especially because this is a full page kit, it's super easy to put down. And well, no, it's not super easy. We learned that. It's quick though. It is very quick to mess up your planner with these full size or full page stickers. In any case, I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna try not to want to cry too much over what happened to these pages here. We can move on. I'm sure it'll be okay. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Plantscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.